Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we are sipping on my favorite brewery, Duclaw Oat Shake. So this is a double IPA. It's a hazy double IPA brewed with their own oat milk that they made in the house. Like, you know me and my oat milk, girl. I'm so proud. So it's definitely, well, let me read you the back. So it says, to make this velvety smooth double IPA, we blend in steel-cut oats that have been soaked and strained into rich, creamy oat milk. That, along with the addition of even more oats, gives Oat Shake its hazy, pillowy beignets, right? Pillowy mouthfeel while allowing hot flavors and aromas to shine through. So it definitely tastes like your standard delicious double IPA. But that oat milk, like, doesn't taste like oats. But when you first, like, take a sip, it's, like, very smooth and, like, shaky. It almost tastes like a shake. It's, like, thick and smooth. And, my God, it's an experience, honestly. Let me just, And I figured, like, oat shake with our beignets because I'm sure you clicked on the video because you saw it was called a vegan beignet. And that's what we're making today. Because Fat Tuesday is upon us. I really want to try and make vegan fastnacht sometime. For sure of Tuesday, which is the same day. But I'm inexperienced and I have to practice more. So vegan beignets it is for Fat Tuesday. This is not my recipe. This is Abby's recipe from Heart of the Baker. So I'm going to link her below. But I wanted to check it out, see if it works. Like, y'all stick with me. Let's go on this journey together. In a large bowl, I have half a teaspoon of active dry yeast. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of warm water and about a pinch of sugar. And I'm just going to mix this up and we're going to let this hang out for about 5 minutes until that yeast starts blooming. You know the drill. While we're waiting for our yeast to bloom, we can start mixing. In a cup, I have, 2 teaspoons of applesauce. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of our homemade non-dairy oat milk. Y'all know how to make it. I won't roll the video for you this time. I know, you're welcome. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to add, what do I have? A teaspoon baking soda, teaspoon apple cider vinegar. And then I'm just going to whisk this up a little bit first while I add 3 tablespoons of hot water. Now we're going to add our applesauce mixture to the yeast mixture. And I'm just going to whisk that together just a touch. And now we add 1 1/4 cup of flour. And we're just going to start stirring this together until it gets all combined. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now we kind of formed it into a little bit of a ball. We're just going to cover her up with some cling wrap. We're going to let this rise, hang out, and chill for about an hour until, you know, it's been an hour. Our dough has officially rested for an hour, and I didn't realize when I originally said it that it doesn't rise, it just rests. So we have a lightly floured surface, put a little bit more flour on top. What we're going to do is we're going to roll this out till it's about 1/4 inch thick. We're just going to cut them into squares. So obviously I don't have a square shape, but like, I don't really care. Like, this isn't a bakery, so I'm just going to like make a couple big pieces here, like so. So here's me editing and realized that I lost some footage and I already uploaded, so I'm re-uploading. My God, I feel so stupid. I lost some footage and I didn't even realize that I had a pot of oil, vegetable oil, on the stove, and I had it preheated to about 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and I fried them, and then I tossed them in powdered sugar after they came out of the fryer. I am so sorry. I don't know what happened to that. Maybe I didn't push play. I don't know what happened. So that's how I cooked mine. You guys, look at these pillowy, beautiful things. So I'm going to look like a Coke head real quick as I take a bite. They smell delicious. They look delicious. I can't believe how much they pumped up. Look at that. Whoa. Do I look like Dave Chappelle in that episode? You know what I'm talking about? That character?
What's his face?
I don't remember his name. I don't want to say the words because it's very inappropriate. Okay. They're kind of like a mix between a donut mixed with a funnel cake. I don't know. They're so soft. Like, they're so soft. And they're pillowy. And they just like hug you in powdered sugar. I did add a little bit of cinnamon to my powdered sugar before I tossed them for a little extra something, something. Like, I recommend. I also just recommend her recipe. Like, Abby from Heart of a Baker, girl, you out here. Like, these are delicious. And it's such a small, it's like a smaller batch, which is really nice because it's just 2 of us. So you can definitely like double it, I'm sure. But this is like a perfect amount for us too. And because we'll have some left over for tomorrow too. Full written recipe is hers, which will be linked below. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Like, give me a comment. Like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, I love you guys. I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.